Good morning, dear students. In today's video, I will explain you a simple science experiment on osmosis using potatoscope. So firstly, I will clear you the definition of osmosis. What is osmosis? Osmosis is the movement of water molecule from dilute solution to concentrated solutions through semi-permeable membrane. What is the meaning of dilute? Dilute means a solution with less or lower solute concentration. This solution is also known as hypotonic solutions, right? This solution has more molecules of water. Yeah, and concentrated solutions is the hypertonic solutions, okay, that has higher concentration of solute or dissolved substance in it. Like in this animation, you can see two solutions are separated by this semi-permeable membrane. And now water molecules are moving from their high concentration to their low concentration. Here, my dear students, you can see hypotonic and hypertonic solutions. What are these? It's very important to understand these two conceptual before proceeding for experiment. Hypotonic solutions are solutions with a lower concentration of solute. Solute means a substance that dissolves in a solvent. What is solvent? Example of solvent is water. So a solutions with more number of water molecule with respect to other solutions is called hypotonic. Hypo means less or lower concentration of solute. This is also known as dilute solutions. So my dear students, remember the direction of movement of water will always be from a dilute solution to concentrated solution. Same thing happen when water is moving from soil solutions to root hairs. Next is hypertonic. Hypertonic means hyper means more. Okay, the more concentration of solute, higher concentration of solute substances dissolve in solvent. So in such solution there is less concentration of water molecule with respect to other solutes. Therefore, if you see, if you compare soil solutions and the cell sap of root hair, you will find cell sap is having more solute molecules. Therefore, solvent molecules, that is water molecules, can move from soil into the root hair. Similarly, from one cell to another, and xylem will take it to leaf. So let's understand the osmosis in potatoes using potatoscope. So dear students, let's start the experiment on osmosis using potatoes. So material required, we need 3 potato, and we have taken 2 raw potatoes and 1 boiled potato, 1 knife for peeling the potato and making a cavity, and then we have taken table salt and plain water. I've already peeled and the potatoes and made cavities. Here you can see, my dear students, in this tray I have kept these all 3 potatoes just done it. All 3 potatoes, which are labeled, as you can see, A, B, C. A potato, raw potato without salt, while B potato with salt, and the boiled potato with salt. Here you can see this one. Okay. After leaving these potatoes for 20 to 30 minutes, we go for observations. We observe, you can see, like you can see in potato A, right, without salt, there is a little water at the bottom of the cavity, while in potato B, raw potato B with salt, you can see salt had dissolved in water, right, while in potato C, which is boiled one, okay, with salt, and the salt is not dissolved as the water is not reaching in the cavity. So now students, I will explain you the reason for the observations for these 3 potato osmoscopes. You can see the water in the raw potato drains out from the cells lining the cavity. You can see these are the cells lining the cavity. Okay, this is the cavity. You can see here also. Okay, the cells lining the cavity, from there water has drains out into the cavity. Right, but so we can clearly see here that water molecules are moving from the area of their more concentrations to the area where the water molecules are less through semi-permeable membrane in potato cells. Like you can see in raw potato A, where no salt is added, little water is found in the cavity at the bottom. Okay, so as the concentration of the cells and the potato cavity, cells lining the potato cavity is same, and but in the tray the water is having more water molecules with respect to cells of potato, so slowly the water molecules will move into the potato. In B, raw potato with salt kept in cavity, we can see clearly the salt here is dissolved in water. Why it is so? You can see the cavity representing hypertonic solutions, a solution with low water molecules, lower water molecule concentration, okay, with respect to cells lining the potato cavity. So from these cells, the water is moving into the cavity and dissolving the salt. Right. So these potato cells are being recharged by the water moving from the tray into the cells. In potato C, the boiled potato C with salt, we find It is not dissolving. Why? Because this potato is boiled, and cell membrane is living structure, right? So it will not functions. Therefore, okay, there is no water reaching to the cavity. No osmosis will take place. So thank you, dear students, for watching this video. I hope the concept of osmosis will be clear to you. So once more, thank you very much.